Home Remedies presents
What freezing your bread does. You won't believe. Who doesn't love a fresh slice of bread? Whether it is for breakfast, toast, or a hearty sandwich. Bread is a comforting food we enjoy every day. But did you know that freezing your bread can actually make it healthier? It might sound strange, but let me explain why this simple trick can make a big difference for your health. The science of freezing bread. Bread, especially white bread, has a high glycemic index. This means the starch in it breaks down quickly into glucose, causing spikes in blood sugar levels. For people managing insulin sensitivity, these spikes can lead to energy crashes and cravings. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. When bread is frozen, its starch molecules change structure, creating resistant starch. Resistant starch is a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine. Instead of breaking down quickly, it travels to the large intestine and is processed slowly. This results in a lower glycemic response, meaning glucose enters your bloodstream more slowly and steadily. The power of toasting frozen bread. Toasting frozen bread further changes the starch molecules, slowing down glucose release even more. By freezing and then toasting your bread, you reduce its glycemic impact, making it friendlier to your blood sugar levels. Benefits for gut health. Resistant starch is also great for gut health. Since it isn't digested until it reaches the large intestine, it acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This supports overall digestive health. Tips for freezing bread. Prevent freezer burn. Seal bread tightly in a freezer bag or wrap it in a plastic wrap before freezing. Storage time. Bread stays fresh in the freezer for about 3 months. Label it to keep track. Toasting. Take a slice straight from the freezer to the toaster. No need to warm it beforehand. If not toasting, let it warm at room temperature or warm it briefly in the oven. Balanced meals. Pair your toast with protein or healthy fats like avocado, nut butter, or eggs for a more balanced meal. Additional benefits. Freezing bread helps preserve its freshness and extend its shelf life, especially if you don't plan to eat it all right away. It also allows you to buy bread in bulk or try different types without worrying about them going bad. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Let us know your experience in the comments below.
if you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.